After 96 hours of an indefinite hunger strike organized by the NEHU Students Union and the KSU NEHU Unit, the KSU NEHU Unit's Publicity Secretary, Meban Kharmawlong, was transported to the university's Health Care Centre on the 9th of November after experiencing symptoms of weakness. The hunger strike, which involves over 20 students, has already led to multiple hospitalizations. On the 7th of November, General Secretary of the NEHU Students Union, Toniho S. Kharsati, and union members Aiboklang, Nongsteng and Naphisabet, Marwein, were taken to the Shillong Civil Hospital due to health concerns. On the 8th of November, two more students, KSU NEHU Unit General Secretary Kevin Wanrap and member Morning Star Suting, were also admitted to the same hospital. Despite health setbacks, Kharsati and Nongsteng returned to the protest upon recovery. The ongoing demonstration by the NEHU Students centers on alleged irregularities in the appointment of senior officials, including the Registrar and Deputy Registrar of Academics, by Vice-Chancellor Prabhashankar Shukla, as well as delays in appointing Pro-Vice-Chancellors for the Shillong and Tura campuses. The protesters are calling for the VC's resignation or removal. Notably, several organizations, including the Khon Nyotrep National Awakening Movement KNAM, State Youth Wing, the KSU Central Executive Committee, Federation of the Khasi, Jainti and Garo People, the NEHU Teachers Association and the Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association have voiced their support for the students' hunger strike on campus.
Po NEHU hakba ni i kini gi parado prasnam jengi gi khna samna jengi ki ba shem yegni ka jingshem lanot jingshem jingjar joki ka bangala bonong ba hadu put bakin hapan ban don yegni ka agitation joki hunger strike agitation te da kamsim ka bok sokya mdon hiru ba weringi mdon hiru ba khot ingi ban ong ban yai le chita handling ba ki social media lemba kilat patai khubor ngi pej ke kamsim jengi kamla ban sukun tu kamla ban susngap tu te kumki nong song hi jong kari khasi jongi te ri khasi jantia jongi ni don kata kamsim ba sukya tingi wan mi hne te hakabadi bat kani ka jinglong jingman hne po NEHU ngim ong bangi tip ndu tanrai ngim ong bangi tip lut iki brokhat andre ngi pej ya ngi kran bi ya ke bong ngi yo i po social media ya ke bangi ki bangi sham te kumantang yon mi hani hadin bending la ada pikran matki te kidap pen sutu ingi katukan ni te ngi dak sutu e kai gijing e te ngi ru kumusukran no si benta kalong balada kum kini ki ja hang ni po state jungi kani kapni bakadon gijing ma in future kapni bakadon ka ya ka lawai ka bahdin ka ba ngimtip nginang batai su bonong kumnu tanglai kanum ya bait kani kanum ya bait tenga ngang nakaliang jongi ka state yudwin khnam ni appreciate ni da kersan jubor yakini ni kersan doyap doyam yakini ba yakini ke agitation joki khnang ba kinyo no yuso jong gijing job but ni nakaliang jongi ru menden ngidang sudah pha da kamil so governor ubadai ru chief rector jong kani ka university ba un pej lam yakini gijing but un inquiry lam but un wat gijing tip but ban sort out no kam kroy yakini ka problem namar kumbangi tip kani gijing charging kamdai ka besok inu ban charging kamdai ka kam khulung khna kani ka kam yap kamim te yakini ka university hang niru ka kini ki khna ke khiru ka dai bi kam yap kamim te ngimdai ban khansting yakini ngamut ban ong sirukom nakaliang jongi ni kerpat ya government ba dakum nuru government kada ban pai khmat ya kum kini jing ban sort out yakini problem ndai ban su ong ba ban su padal ndong education minister don ula ban mi khmat ban yakan ya halor kani ka banta ka e ka bola ban le udi ban le e ka bhatam ne tai pet ba ndai bo ong ba la su song ha ski ban su neglect ban su ignore lot yakini ki bro khot ki bai i da khmat ndai ban ker daga kam pada haka kam ngimna ngimi i ba ki le ai te ka khmat ki pet ki la ban i kini ga agitation hang ni ta ngi na kaliang jengi ni kerpat jur ya ka government ba kam ndai ban khansting ikum kini namar ba nginumla ban khansting ya ka future life jongki youth namar ba ngitip ba ka state hi borok away ka depend bi hakiyut ya ka future life what ndai tang state hadu ka country hadu ka India ru ka depend hakiyut ngimla benong bang ngin sukhen sting ikane Dengan tak ada government yang kerpat bangsa bawa kain sting ini namar yo kapoi syagajing mersau. Ndak kalak poi syagajing mersau kimna su bantai lekam hangta ka sami ke jing kulmar. Hangta ka sami ke jing ibabun rukom. Kan kata iru ya ka society kan kata iru ya ka ekonomi jong state kan kata lundong sedong. Teh handai larakum kini kinang ngejah din habut. Larakan government nakaleng jong governor kemongong mene ba udah ben simi ke senjam ban pej ban inquiry ya kani bat ban weng sisndon uni visi hang ne ndai ban bu abau kila iba da kajing don jung ni visi ne kat kum jing tip junga license ula don de mudur kan nadu license ba wan yu kejat hang ne kan nungut gi student gi face ka problem